Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about Bullshot Carpet Cleaner. So is it legit or just another scam? So basically right here you can shop with confidence. So this is an offer that's not available in Amazon. Money back guarantee made in USA. 100 million satisfied customers, which I really doubt. So here you can select your Bullshot basically, and then you can get a pack or three packs for basically almost the same prices right here. And then when you check it out, basically you can select your type, really basic website, really fake, and just another scam basically. So how it works is it just tries to remove other types of debris and odors. So absolutely no bending or scrubbing requiring. It's just gonna remove it instantly as their claims. So and when you go to Reddit and anyone use the Bullshot Carpet Cleaner as a question right here, yeah, lol, it doesn't work, does not work, and here it's called unbelievable. You can have a better version of that already. So when you go to another review right here, they're gonna share their personal experiences and they saw an ad on TV, and then basically let's just get to the point that it did not deliver on its promises. It's a waste of time and money, and ended up moving on to a different product to get the carpets clean. Because as you can see, the website is just so sketchy and so basic, made with no effort at all. As you can see, it's just another upsell for another really random product that doesn't even work at all. And its claims are really bold, and its 100 million customers claim is really, really bold too. So I would already avoid this. So basically, Bullshot Cleaner right here, Carpet Cleaner is a total scam. So don't buy this and stick to other products that actually work.